Okay, and he's getting ready. He was checking the real fuel.
And PACOM pod.
This is PACOM. Go ahead.
Ed, when he calls down with the next winner, if he doesn't call down the fuel estimator code, then we'll just ask him, by the way, can we have that also?
Copy.
So let's give him a chance to give it to us first, and then if he doesn't, we'll ask for it.
Okay, this will be Stuyvesant High School, New York, in the blue satellite, and Naples High School, Florida, with the red satellite.
Okay, and this test seems to have started, and that looks much better. The blue satellite is now aligned, and so is the red one. So in about 10 seconds, we're going to start the actual race, and we'll see the performance of these teams. Again, keep watching what that the satellites are doing, what you think they should be doing. So it looks like
HelioSPHERES.
Stuy-Naught is actually moving towards us too. Team Vector went right to find its panel, while Stuy-Naught is I'm not sure if Stuy-Naught is trying to find its panel at this point. Jake, what's your opinion here?
I think Stuy-Naught's just getting into position right now.
Yeah, let's do an
they look
no
like they're
response
actually
required
repelling
that this start looks good.
Yeah, and do you think Team Vector have just found its panel right now? It looks like it's going for it.
It does look like they found it. They may have been repelled out of the
Station
volume.
Huntsville, first got no response required. Just going to let you know that the start looked good on that one.
Yeah, I see that. The reason it didn't start last time is the CO2 value was a little bit high. It was, the procedure says 25 PSI, so I adjusted it down. Apparently I adjusted it down too far, and it ran out of gas.
Okay, so it's great that the crew can find different issues so that we know that it's a fair competition. Now, Team Vector seems to have gone right for its panel. Now, Stuy-Naught is trying to, I guess, push Team Vector out of the work area. Although Stuy-Naught finally seems to be doing something to try to get some points themselves. Although it's not, I'm not sure. Jake, what's your call here?
I'm not quite sure yet. We'll have to take a look and see what the test result values are when we get through. But I see a little bit of repelling going on. I see them up. It looks like we just got a docking there. We got a rotation about the X face. So let's see what happens next.
And that's on the red satellite for Team Vector, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was one of those big rotations. We're about 2.5 minutes into the competition, into this race, I mean. So they'll have only a few more minutes.
We see also a rotation on Stuy-Naught there, so it's possible they got a docking as well. We'll have to see, or they dropped the panel. It's a little hard to say.
So maybe they had it and then they dropped it.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Now they're getting pushed down, all the way down to the bottom of the volume there. So they're almost certainly out of the volume at that point.
Yeah, it looks like there was some repelling action.
Yep.
Hey, Team Vector, do you repel the other satellite? Yeah, okay. Well, that's a good indication that that's going on then. And it looks like Stuy-Naught is going back into the work area, into the interaction volume.
At this point, based on their motion, it looks like they are out of their virtual fuel. So
okay.
So
they're just drifting right now.
Yep.
Well, congratulations to both teams. Both satellites actually ran out of fuel. However, the